SubtitleGen AI has just hit the market, and if you're looking for a game changer in video content creation, you need to know these 7 crucial things about this new AI software. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive way to try SubtitleGen for free, and I promise you won't want to miss it. First things first, SubtitleGen AI is designed to automatically generate accurate subtitles for your videos with just a few clicks. It's powered by a super efficient AI engine that listens to your content, transcribes it, and creates subtitles that sync perfectly. No more manually typing out subtitles or paying for expensive transcription services. It saves a ton of time, making it perfect for content creators, marketers, and anyone working with video. Now here's the kicker. SubtitleGen AI doesn't just do the basics. It also offers multi-language support, which is huge if you have an international audience. The AI detects the language your video is in, automatically generates subtitles, and gives you the option to translate them into over 40 languages. So, whether you're creating content for local or global viewers, SubtitleGen has you covered. Another thing you'll love is its customization options. You can tweak the subtitle style to match your brand's vibe, whether it's font size, color, or positioning. SubtitleGen lets you adjust all of that. This is critical if you're trying to maintain consistency across your videos. Plus, it works seamlessly with most video platforms, so whether you're on YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform, you're good to go. But it doesn't stop there. SubtitleGen also offers advanced AI features like automatic punctuation correction and speech-to-text accuracy improvements. That means less time spent fixing errors and more time focusing on creating great content. If you're like me, you'll appreciate how much this speeds up the post-production process, especially when you're juggling multiple projects. Now, let's talk about ease of use. SubtitleGen is incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get it up and running. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and designed with the content creator in mind. It's literally drag and drop to get started. If you're looking for something that just works without a steep learning curve, SubtitleGen is for you. And of course, there's the pricing. SubtitleGen offers a free version of the software so you can test it out without any commitments. If you decide you want access to more advanced features, they have affordable pricing tiers to choose from. This is a big deal because finding quality AI software at a reasonable price can be a challenge, but SubtitleGen offers great value for what you get. Lastly, I need to mention one thing that really sets SubtitleGen apart: customer support. If you ever run into issues, their support team is responsive and helpful. They also have a solid knowledge base to guide you through any challenges you might encounter. For a new software, that level of customer care is impressive. So to recap, SubtitleGen AI is an excellent tool for anyone who needs accurate, efficient subtitles for videos, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner. It's fast, easy to use, and affordable. Plus, it offers great customization and advanced features. If you want to try SubtitleGen for free, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth exploring, and after testing thousands of AI tools, this one has made its mark. If you're interested in other AI software options, I've also got a list of my top recommendations in the description for you to try.